Today we're going to change the carburettor on a Stihl BG56C leaf blower. Firstly, remove the filter cover. Remove the housing by unscrewing the 3 screws. You can disconnect the spark plug cap as a precaution. Then disconnect the cover by loosening the 2 nuts. Then unscrew the 3 screws using a Torx to release the handle. Remove the throttle rod. Remove the 2 pipes with pliers and slide the carburettor off to release. Now check to see if the carburettor is damaged or worn. Slide the carburettor back into position. Connect the throttle rod back. Now place the gasket back into position. Making sure the carb is connected properly, fix the 2 pipes back. Then return the air filter assembly back and secure. Fasten the handle back and fix with the screws. Place the cover back and secure with the 3 screws. That's how you change the carburettor on a Stihl BG56C leaf blower. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.